you guys are keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel, Living with Miss Perry. And if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So guys, it is what it is. As I said earlier, I'm not going to get over this milkshake recipe until I finish or until I'm done with all the fruits, as I promised you earlier. So guess what? Today I'm going to make another type of fruit. I'm going to do another type of fruit with milkshake, and I'll be showing you guys what it is. So surprise! We are going to do a strawberry milkshake today, and so I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I have for this. So stay tuned and let's see this. So guys, I hope you can see what I have here. I have strawberries, I have banana, I have milk, I have yogurt, I have honey, and I have ice cubes here with me. So of course I hope you can see the blender there. So let's get ready for this.
Chop the banana into cubes. Cut the strawberry into cubes too. Add 1 spoonful of honey into the mixture. Measure 150 milliliters of milk in, add to the mixture. Scoop 2 spoonfuls of yogurt and add to the mixture too.
So guys, it's blending time, and let's blend this. Hey guys, so we are done blending, and let's serve and have a sip with you guys for this amazing milkshake. So what I'm going to do, can you see this? This is sprinkles. So I'm going to do some decoration a little bit. So I'm just going to put the sprinkles all around or on the top of this, and I'll be showing you as we sip together. Look at our strawberry milkshake, guys. Strawberry milkshake. Look at the sprinkles. This is so amazing. So let's have a sip and taste. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. It's super yummy. You have to try this. I'm not even getting over of sipping.
Super yummy, guys.
I'm thinking of making another one. It is super yummy, guys, and you have to try this. So this is it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, show me some love, share, like, comment, and I love you, I love you, I love you, all of you. I love you. for my loyal members who already subscribed, and I love you for my new members who are coming in. Please, as you watch, subscribe. So I had an issue for the past videos that I did. So some people were asking if they are going to subscribe, are they going to be charged for every time I post and they watch the video? Are they going to be charged? No, subscription is free of charge. Please subscribe, and once I post, you'll be just being notified, and you'll be watching free of charge. So I love you guys, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.